Hey guys, it's me again, Gen-zel, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you can check out my other videos and subscribe. You can always check me out on social media at Gen-zel de las Alas. And today, I just wanted to quickly share with you guys my favorite workout wireless Bluetooth headset. And this is the JBL by Harman Endurance Jump that I got from the Shopee 3.3 sale, or the fashion festival sale. This one is originally 4,000 plus and I got it for only 3,400. Yeah, I think I'll just be flashing more information here in the screen, and I will insert here the clip of my unboxing. So here you go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you my thoughts about the JBL Endurance Jump. So first thing is, what I really like about this is it comes with the pouch, and you can just quickly put the headset here like this, and it comes in different colors as well. So this one, it doesn't have any power button, so it automatically turns off when you removed it from your ear, and then it turns on once you do it like this. As you can see, oops, there's the light, and then it will, once it's paired with your cell phone, it becomes blue, and then you wear it like this. So it has a twist lock technology. So all I have to do is go like this, and then you twist it. You can actually hear a notification sound once it's paired with your cell phone. And it looks like this. It doesn't fall out. Whatever workout or activity that I do, dancing, running, jumping, I think that's why it's called endurance jump, because it's like good for even extreme workout or activities. And like that. And then when you tap it, it moves, it stops, and it plays the music, and then double tap, it will go to the next one, triple tap, it goes to the previous song. And then for the volume, you just have to slide it like that for increasing the volume, and then you slide it downwards if you want to decrease the volume. And then you don't have to turn it off, which I really like, because it automatically turns off once you remove it like this. So you don't have to worry that you forgot turning it off, and then the next time you work out, it doesn't have any battery. It stays on for 8 hours, continuous use. And then in case that you forgot to charge it, in just 10 minutes, you can use it for an hour. So if you don't have a lot of time to charge, just leave it, charge for 10 minutes, and then you can use this for an hour. You can use this for calls as well. It has touch controls and the power hook technology. So I think that's basically it. And it's Bluetooth powered. It has warranty, everything that you need to know. And if you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments. But so far, this is what I can recommend to you guys if you are working out and then looking for a really nice wireless headset that's affordable, reliable, and something that will really not fall out. The thing with those like the Apple AirPods or the other Bluetooth or true wireless earphones, I'm so afraid, like if I miss the other one, I need to buy the whole set again. So this, I really appreciate that it has a band. So if ever that I need to remove it, you can just hang it here on your neck and you're good to go. So yeah, don't forget to check out the description box. I'll be putting the link where I got this, where you can like get it for a discounted price at Shopee. And don't forget to also check out the other sale items that's ongoing. I'll be putting the details here until when you can avail of the sale and take advantage of the promos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find something useful about this, and I'll definitely check out the comments and get back to you. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Again, this is Gen-zel signing off. Wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup, even if I don't have makeup because I'm here in the gym. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other social media at Gen-zel de las Alas. Bye.